Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Latoya and this is my first video. Guys, don't boo me yet because this is my first time with the editing and angles thing. So bear with me because I promise you guys I will get better. I won't let you down. Okay guys, let's get into it. At this moment, I am parting off her hair so I can, get nice clean parts, and I'm gonna actually do the triangle method because it gives it a nice look, the professional look, because Lord knows I'm not a professional at all. So I noticed while I'm parting her hair, her scalp is a little dry, so I decided to go through as I'm doing each part to just kind of like put a little oil in it, to keep her scalp from being itchy and, irritating her, because she will scratch that hair until she's bald. So you have to make sure it's nice and oiled. And yeah, I'm also going to be using the rubber band method because I find the rubber band method easy, and it kind of gets all those hairs in there. And right here at this scene, I think I'm adding the Shine Jam. I watched a couple videos on YouTube and seen another YouTuber using Shine Jam. It's like literally the first time I've ever seen Shine Jam. And usually most people use like gel and stuff to keep it up in the parts, but I chose Shine Jam. It's a better alternative. And this is the hair I got off of Amazon, and it comes with like these little, I guess like the little jewelry for your hair, make it look cute, jazzy, whatnot. But this is a little card to tell you where you can get it from. And after I opened up the bag of hair, I noticed that the color was a little off because I have other children and I use the same color on them, but Aaliyah's hair is a little lighter like mine, so I I put one braid in to see did the color match up, and color matched up pretty good because of the fact it was Shine Jam in her head, and oil kind of made her hair a little darker, so it worked out perfectly. I know in this shot you can't really see what I'm doing because her head is too far up and my hands are too far down, but I'm actually leaving some hair out at the tip so I could add a straw set at the tips of her hair to make it curly, because I usually dip it and keep it straight, but I'm going to try something different this time. I have completed my first row, so now I'm sectioning off my second row of the triangle shaped box braids. And as you can see, I'm still going through and oiling her scalp because I noticed it was a little dry. So I'm just adding her a little oil. I have now completed my second row. Looks pretty good. Section off parts. They're not perfect, but they're pretty good. I have now completed my third row. Looking pretty good, and I just love this triangle method. I think it looks really good. I have now completed sectioning the top. Finished product. What do you guys think? She loved the hair and she loved the hairstyle. She said it's lightweight, it's not heavy on her neck or anything. So I think she would most definitely want to get medium box braids again because it was pretty quick versus the smaller box braids that take forever. Okay guys, I think the length is good. I think they're pretty neat. And I'm going to add the straw set to it in my next video. You might sit down with me. So until next time guys, thanks for watching.